Okay, here we are in video 2 for lesson 11, module 6, of course. And as you can see, we are on plane C in your Learn book. And the x-coordinate is 4 less than the corresponding y-coordinate. That is a fact that goes along. And if you haven't already, please plot 8, 4. So going across 8, baby's trying to say hi, and up 4, and 6, 2, and 6, 3. Go ahead and plot those 3 points, 8, 4, 6, 2, and 6, 3, on your plane C. Another line that goes through 8, 4. Each y-coordinate is 4 less than the corresponding x-coordinate. The point 8, 4 is on this line because its y-coordinate is 4 less than its x-coordinate. Okay? And which of the other 2 points that you plotted are going to be on this same line? The x-coordinate is 4 less than the y-coordinate. Would that be 6, 3 or 6, 2? Yes, you are right. It is 6, 2 because the y-coordinate is 4 less than the x-coordinate. Let's get our straight edge and draw our line through 8, 4 and 6, 2. Okay, don't forget your arrows on both sides. Okay. Are there more points on this line than on the other than the plotted points? Are there more points on this line? Yes, there are infinite number of points on the line. Definitely something that we're working on. And let's call this line line C. And then I have a couple of questions for you about line C. A point on line C with whole number coordinates and an x-coordinate less than 10. Can we put that point on there? X-coordinate less than 10. Now remember, our x-coordinate is 4 less than our corresponding y. So if our x is 8, then our y would be 12. Okay, that doesn't really fit. Let's try something smaller. If our x is 2, how about if our x is 5? Our y would have to be 9. Trying to make it on line C, right? Did you find one already? Let's see. 9 and 5. 9 is 4 less. Our x is not 4 less than y. Our x is 4 more than y, right? Yes, I'm sorry about that. Hello. Our y is 4 less than our x. I was doing them backwards. Our y is 4 less than our x. So if our x is 9 and our y is 5, there's one. Okay? Yep, paying attention, I know. It could help you every time. A point on line C with a whole number coordinates with an x greater than 10. Can we have an x greater than 10? Let's see. Well, of course, our line's going to go on forever. So what if we had an x of 12? What would our y be? 4 less than 12, that would be 8. Right there. 12, 8. Yeah? Okay. And a point on the line C with coordinates that are fractions or decimals. Okay, so I think we talked about this in our last video, right? What if we had 5.5? 4 less than 5.5. would be 1.5, right? So we could have 5.5, 1.5, written as a fraction or written as a decimal. Okay, did you come up with some other ones? Probably. Yeah, probably you were able to figure those out even better than I was. All right, let's go to plane D. And on plane D, we're going to plot ordered pairs 7, 5, 8, 4, and 9, 3. Go ahead and plot those ordered pairs. Getting pretty good at plotting ordered pairs, right? 7, 5, 8, 4, and 9, 3. Did you get them? Okay, and then we're going to use our straight edge to draw a line through those 3 points. Trying to line it up with precision. Draw our line with an arrow on each side. Okay, something like that. All right, is point 10, 1 on line D, plane D, line D, is point 10, 1 going to be on this line, and how do you know? Without even looking at the line, can we tell from our ordered pairs? These are going down by 1, these are going up by 1, and 10, 1 looks like it would be there. And looking at our chart, no, what mistake did we make? Aha, this is going down by 2, right? These are going down by 1, so 10, 1 would be there, would not be on our ordered pair. I mean, our line. Yes. How about 0.66? Is 0.66 going to go through our line? It would be up here, actually. It'd be better to look at. If it's there. Okay, let's double check it. 6. 6, yes. It fits right there. 6, 6. So going up by 1, going down by 1, right? Okay, very good. From 0.84, I can move left 1 unit and then up 1 unit to get to 7, 5. So 8, 4, left 1 and up 1, right? These are different color. Left 1 and up 1. Can I move left 1/2 and then up 1/2 twice to get from 8, 4 to 7, 5? I could go 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. Yeah, moving 1/2 twice is the same as moving 1 whole, right? Are there more lines on line D than the plotted points? How many? Infinite numbers, right? Okay, could we look at some more points on this line? What about 5, 4? Oh no, 5, 7, right? Because these are going down by 1, these are going up by 1. 5, 7. Yep, right there. What about 4, 8? 4, 8, right there. Okay. That would help if I moved my picture so that you guys weren't trying to see through me. Okay, very good. All right. How many lines can you draw through 1 point? Infinite number. How many lines can you draw through 2 points? Only 1. All right. How many points are on a line? Infinite number. What methods can you use to identify ordered pairs of points on a line? We've talked about a lot of different ones, right? We can look at the line. We can look at the patterns from the x's going this way, the y's going this way. We can also look at the patterns between the points. Okay? Awesome job. Only 2 videos for this lesson. Thanks for your hard work. Aloha.